Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve higher order equations by factoring. Solve x to the fifth equals 49x to the third. It might be tempting to divide both sides by x to the third. However, when we divide by a variable, it gets rid of some of the answers. So we won't divide both sides by x to the third. We will combine all of the terms on one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract 49x to the third from both sides of the equation. On the right side, it cancels, giving us a 0 equals x to the fifth minus 49x to the third. And the reason we do that is now we can factor out the greatest common factor. In this case, x to the third is the greatest common factor, leaving us with x squared minus 49 equals 0. Now we can use the zero product property by breaking up our factors into two equations, both equaling 0. So we get x to the third equals 0, and x squared minus 49 equals 0. On the left side, we can cube root both sides, cube root x to the third and cube root 0. Cube rooting x to the third negates the exponent to the third, so we end up with x equals 0. On the right equation, we will add 49 to both sides. 49 minus 49, or negative 49 plus 49 cancels, leaving us with x squared equals 49. And then to solve for the variable, we will square root both sides. And on the right side, because we have a number and we're square rooting it, we end up with two answers, plus or minus. And on the left side, square rooting the square negates it, so we're just left with x. And the square root of 49 on the right side is 7, so we get plus or minus 7. And now we can just list all of our answers. We have x equals 0 and x equals positive and negative 7. And we'll list them from low to high. So x equals negative 7, comma 0, positive 7. And now we're all done.